Use affiliate program link.
Seeking happiness amidst the trouble. I'm reaching out for this against the struggle. Visions of how it should be got me drinking double. And finding out what pieces fit can be a dangerous puzzle. Admittedly, I ain't been perfect.
Create your own affiliate program account. That's your link to YGwigs website. Copy your link, then go to YGwigs. You can share YGwigs website directly. Save a picture of the web, then copy your own web link. Share them on your Facebook, Instagram, and so on.
Making space for the happiness that I could find. I'm trying to get back on track and make it for good this time. Ice cream sundae, run way down a one way. I get it right one day. I get it right.
You can use more attractive words to describe your post.
Still do it how I want to do it. Saving room.
You also can choose a wig to share.
I'm talking big shit popping.
Save the wig pictures at first. Then copy the wig link to your affiliate program account. Click marketing tools. Turn website link to your generated link.
Whether or not you see it, evidence here regardless. Lately I've been discouraged, I'm trying to think positive. Lately I'm feeling like I'm running out of oxygen. Don't see the light at the end of the tunnel opposite, but I keep running till something triggers my confidence.
When share, put your generated link and pictures in the post.
Till my ego removed, been through hell with a view. Tell that girl to come through, tell the world to salute. I prevail in a few, banging Mahalia Jackson. My soul need to feel something. I gotta stick to my roots and make sure the bill